Okay, so this worksheet is for pre-algebra, or no, sorry, Algebra 1. So this is for Algebra 1, Part 1, and it's worksheet 4-2, and we're talking about polynomials. So in this one, we're still adding and subtracting polynomials, but you'll notice they've gotten a lot bigger. They're a lot bigger. Okay, so in the top, all we're doing is we're adding those polynomials. So we don't really have to worry about distributing, because even if I distributed a positive 1 through that second polynomial, it's not going to change anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop my parentheses. All right, don't need them. And then I'm going to get my like terms together. So 5a squared minus 3a squared, and then this -3 and this -1 are also like. All right, so 5 minus 3 is going to be a 2a squared. -3 minus 1 is going to be a -4. All right, so we're just sort of simplifying them. Again, don't really need the parentheses because it's addition and it doesn't really change anything. All right, let's get our like terms together. X squared plus 5x squared plus 4x minus 8x minus 4 minus a plus 2. All right, get these two together. That's an understood one. That's going to become 6x squared. And these two together are going to make a -4x. And these two together are going to make a -2. Again, it's just new vocabulary, but still combining like terms. Drop my parenthesis. Get my like terms together. So 4x squared needs to be with that. So -3x squared. My x's need to be together. So -x plus 10x and 2 plus 7. All right, 4 minus 3 is just an x squared. -x plus 10x is a positive 9x. And my two constant terms are going to make an 11. 7x squared plus 2x minus 6 plus 3x squared minus 11x minus 8. Let's get our like terms together. 7x squared plus 3x squared, 2x minus 11x, -6 minus 8. 7x squared plus 3x squared is 10x squared. 2x minus 11x is going to be 9, so -9x. And -6x minus 8x is going to be -14. All right, let's drop those parentheses. Oh, we have an x in there. It's going to mess things up, right? All right, so the highest degree of power that I have is this one, right? Ooh, I almost made a faux pas. That should be a 3. All right, and I have nothing like with it, so I'm going to write it down first. But I also have another one. Whenever you have two different exponents going on, you write one all the way out, and then you start with the x's. So I'm just going to worry about the p's first. All right, so now I'm going to have this plus 9p squared, -11p. And that one actually is putting a monkey wrench. It's not quite a polynomial. All right, but that's okay. We can keep doing it. Oh, I forgot about the 3p squared. 11p. Okay, so let me erase and get that other p squared in. -3p squared. Got that one. The -11p. Then 3 plus 4, and then we just have this random thing at the end. All right, so negative 6p3 plus 9p squared minus 3p squared. I'm having a time. 3p squared is going to be 6p squared, negative 11p. Doesn't have anything like with it. 3 plus 4 is going to be 7, and then a 7x3. And it would start its own thing. So this is the polynomial in it. All right, now we're subtracting, which means we got to distribute that negative 1 through. All right, so it's going to be 6c squared plus 3x plus 9 minus 3x plus 5. Basically, it just changes the signs inside that second one. All right, so 6c2, to the second power. Oh, and it did it again. We have c's and x's. Oh, well, we can handle this. So then we're going to get our positive 3x, negative 3x, plus 5, now I see why, and plus 9. So we got all of our like terms together. 6c squared, well, a positive 3x and a negative 3x. Oh, the x's go away. Good, because now I can have a organized polynomial, which is a binomial, this one. That looks like that. All right, I got to distribute through that x in the next one, so it's going to be a negative 4x cubed plus a negative 4x squared plus 15x minus 1. Just changed all the signs in the second one. Okay, double check that. Negative, negative, positive, negative. All right, let's get our like terms together. That one, negative 4x squared. Okay. Oh, I'm going to put forgot my negative 4x cubed. Okay. And then I need my 15x. I need my negative 8 and my negative 1. All right, so we start off with a negative 4x cubed. All right, this is a positive 3 minus 4 is a negative x squared plus 15x minus 9. All right, distribute it through my negative through this whole one, which is just going to change the signs. It's going to be a negative n cubed plus n squared minus n minus 12. All right, so let's get our like terms together. First, we have the first degree of power is going to be a negative 2n to the third. Then we're going to have negative n squared plus n squared minus n plus 2n minus 12. Right, negative 2n to the third. These cancel out. A negative and a positive makes 0. Then I'm going to get these two together, which is going to give me a positive n minus 12. All right, let's distribute through that negative in the second one. It's going to give me a positive 13x squared, positive 5x, negative 14. Let's get our like terms together in the order of its degree of power. That is like with the positive 13x, it's going to do the same thing again. All right, and then we have a lonely b that we need to get in at the end. All right, so 9x cubed, that goes to 0, plus x to the fifth. I mean, sorry, 5x minus 14, and then a lonely little b out there. So this is the polynomial. All right, very good. Keep practicing these till you feel comfortable with them. Next up, it looks like we got some multiplication and adding and all kinds of things going on. They're only perimeters, so it's added. But I'll see you guys next class.